Hey everyone! If you're still rocking a high-end gaming laptop from back in 2020, like this ASUS ROG Zephyrus M15, you probably still love its build quality and design. But it is now 2026, and ASUS has just unleashed the ROG Strix G16, a machine with specs that sound absolutely insane. Intel Ultra 9, RTX 5070 Ti, and a massive 64 gigabytes of RAM. The big question is this 6-year technology gap worth dropping serious cash for an upgrade? Or does the legendary RTX 2070 still have enough fight left in it? Let's find out in today's detailed showdown. First, let's talk aesthetics. The Zephyrus M15 was an icon of the slim gaming era. With its metal chassis and prism design, it still looks incredibly premium, sleek enough to take to a meeting without screaming gamer. The ROG Strix G16, however, speaks a totally different language. It's thicker, heavier, and unapologetically aggressive. The gray finish this year is matte and clean, but the real star is that massive cooling layout wrapping around the back. Port-wise, the M15 is showing its age. Meanwhile, the Strix G16 comes fully loaded with the latest Thunderbolt ports and HDMI 2.1 for 8K output, making it ready for even the most complex streaming setups. This right here might be the biggest reason to upgrade. The M15 rocks a 15.6-inch Full HD panel with a 240Hz refresh rate. Back in the day, this was the gold standard for esports. The IPS colors are still good, but 1080p on a 15-inch screen is starting to look a bit soft by modern standards. Switching to the Strix G16, it's a massive leap forward. We have a 16-inch 16:10 aspect ratio display. The 2.5K resolution, 2560 by 1600, isn't just sharper, it gives you significantly more vertical screen real estate. For content creators, this 16:10 ratio is an absolute game changer. Now let's talk about the engines powering these machines. The Zephyrus M15 runs on the Core i7-10750H, a 6-core, 12-thread chip. It's still fine for office work and lighter gaming, but throw a 4K render or heavy multitasking at it and it starts to struggle and throttle. The Strix G16 features the Intel Ultra 9 275HX. This is a monster with a completely new architecture and a core count that puts the old i7 to shame. It's not just stronger, it's smarter, featuring dedicated NPU cores for AI tasks in Windows 11. And we have to talk about RAM. 16 gigabytes on the M15 is barely cutting it these days, but 64 gigabytes of DDR5 on the Strix G16? That lets you open dozens of Chrome tabs, Photoshop, and a game all at once with zero lag. If you do creative work, this upgrade is priceless. Here is the main event, gaming. The RTX 2070 Max-Q on the M15 is the power-efficient version. It has 8 gigabytes of VRAM, but the older Turing architecture just can't keep up with modern AI frame generation tech. The RTX 5070 Ti on the Strix G16 is in a different league entirely. With the new architecture, it doesn't just offer raw power, it supports DLSS 4.0 or newer, which uses AI to double or even triple your frame rates. You can play any AAA title at 2.5K max settings on the G16. On the M15, you're likely dropping settings to low or medium just to keep things smooth. Touching on the keyboard, both feature RGB backlighting. However, the key travel on the Strix G16 feels deeper and bouncier, offering a more satisfying tactile response than the slimmer keys on the M15. A huge plus for the Strix G16 is the new intelligent cooling system with 3 fans and factory-applied liquid metal. This keeps the machine significantly cooler than the M15 under heavy loads. To wrap this up, the M15 has served its duty well, but if your workflow demands speed, fast rendering, or you simply want to experience the latest blockbuster games at their absolute best, the ROG Strix G16 with the Ultra 9 and RTX 5070 Ti is worth every penny. It's not just faster, it's a complete overhaul of your visual and productivity experience. So, what do you think? Are you keeping the legend or upgrading to the beast? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. I'll see you in the next one.